Okay, so today we will learn few of the compliments because I've seen people using some words which are not suitable for a person. For example, if you compliment a girl, she is looking beautiful, so you have a lots of word to say, not beautiful only. But most people, especially boys, use cute word for girls, for every girl, whether she's cute or not. I'm going to show you my screen where I will make few photos visible and I will ask you to add the compliment accordingly. Captivating. What we can say captivating. Captivating means कि जो सम्मोहित कर ले बहुत attractive one. It is a kind of attractive one and captivating. So here also we can say beautiful, but what we want to focus, what we want to exactly express about her, captivating. Really captivating. Yeah.
Like example, when you walk on when you like in a party, when she arrives, if she arrives, most of the people will like attract from here. Like ऐसा होता है ना कि कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनके पास गलती से नजर पड़ी, उसके बाद दोबारा से नजर जाती है, जानबूझ के वो लोग अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, like वैसा ही टाइप, right?
She's captivating. Her beauty is captivating. She's looking captivating. Okay, eye-catching, smashing, attractive, captivating, mesmerizing. So these words are having the same meaning. Now next one, if we give any compliment to her, gorgeous. Gorgeous means if you are especially praising about the beauty, gorgeous, बहुत अच्छी दिख रही है. Whether she has applied the makeup, whether she has worn the makeup or not, there isn't any meaning of a makeup or any look. You are praising about that person's look, like gorgeous. She's looking so gorgeous. Shandar, it means in Hindi. Shandar, बहुत शानदार दिख रही थी. Okay, gorgeous. Okay, next one, classy or stylish. She didn't apply a lot of makeup. She hasn't applied a lot of makeup, but she's looking classy. Stylish.
But she's not looking classy. She's looking stylish.
Yeah, she has worn updated clothes. A trendy one, and applied limited makeup and worn limited makeup. So classy. She's looking classy. Okay. Next one, sizzling or dazzling. Sizzling or dazzling, it means a bit of attractive one, but it is a kind of hot word. We use na, she's looking hot. Sizzling or dazzling.
They both are different na?
No, they both have the same meaning. Sizzling or dazzling. Dazzling means चौंका देने.
No, when we pronounce it, we say she's looking sizzling. Not like this, na? She's looking sizzling and dazzling.
Both you can apply. Dazzling means चौंका देने वाला. Stunning kind of. Stunning. Stunning means चौंका देने वाला. Dazzling means चौंका देने वाला. और sizzling means हो जाता है कुछ spicy, hot kind of. So you can add here both together, sizzling or dazzling together. But here mean to say when you see this kind of girl, you can sizzling means hot. Next one, radiant. Radiant. Here we are talking about her confidence. So this is radiant. Radiant means here not all about her skin. It is okay. We are using this radiant word for her skin. Also we can say you can use this for someone's confidence. She's a radiant. She's looking radiant today. Okay, because of confidence, positivity, we can use a radiant word, and also we can use for skin, like her skin is radiant, है ना, चमकदार, बहुत चमक रहा है चेहरा, तो कॉन्फिडेंस से भी तो चमकता है ना,
right?
है ना, कॉन्फिडेंस से चमक रहा है, radiant face. So while seeing his radiant face, I felt really so good. Next, glamorous or gorgeous. Gorgeous, shandar, glamorous. Glamorous here meaning applied makeup. A person who applied makeup, who wore makeup. Glamorous. बहुत ही glamorous दिख रही है. Okay. Glamorous means wearing something trendy or applied a bit of makeup where you have to especially focus about the makeup. Glamorous person ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि उसने makeup ना किया हो, simple हो. So glamorous. Okay. वो अपने बड़े glamorous अवतार में उन्होंने flaunt किया. है ना? I hope you must have heard. So glamorous is something where we are totally focusing about the makeup. Okay, but she's looking so good and gorgeous. Next, mesmerizing or sizzling. Again, mesmerizing means captivating, eye-catching or sizzling. Sizzling. What sizzling दिख रही? Sizzling means not all the time revealing body or exposing body. Okay, sizzling means is something looking so good. Hot. And hot means not all the time revealing body. Yeah. Next, radiant again. Confident, positive attitude means radiant. Okay. Next, amazing, mind blowing, amazing, mind blowing. Okay, mind blowing, amazing, adbhut. Adbhut means strange, amazing, strange. Okay, unmatched. Also, we can use unmatched. Unmatched we can use for amazing, adbhut, amazing, mind blowing. Okay, captivating again, captivating. Can you use captivating word for any actress?
Yeah.
Okay, I find Katrina Kaif captivating and I like her. Next
In
one,
that song.
glamorous. If you see this pic and if you have to add one compliment, then you'll use glamorous. Also, you can use sizzling here, right? We can use sizzling. Suppose if we use here classy, so would it be suitable? No. Classy, no.
No.
Not classy, huh? Not sweet, not cute. Okay, so what would be suitable for here? Glamorous.
Glamorous.
Next, I love what you're wearing. If you want to compliment someone about his or her wearing style, then you can say, I love what you're wearing. And really, means what she's wearing, it's looking something quite different. So I love what you're wearing. Elegant and classy now. So now we have to focus what is classy meaning. What is elegant meaning? Elegant or classy meaning the person who has worn the limited thing but he's looking elegant. So elegant means classy. Applied limited makeup or have a fashion sense and wearing a very simple clothing. Okay, yeah, that person is classy and elegant. Next, spark. Spark we use especially for the dressing sense and especially for the special dress wearing. So he has worn a something special. He is spark. I'm looking to this spark. Spark. Pretty and elegant. Applied limited makeup and wore something very classy or elegant. हाँ, जो बहुत फबता है लेकिन एक्स्ट्रा नहीं होता है. A person who hasn't worn extra something. So elegant or classy or pretty. Pretty किसे कहते हैं? Pretty or sweet you can use for the same person. But cute is something else. We can give compliment pretty or sweet. So sensuous. Okay, sensuous means extremely hot. Sensuous, extremely hot. And sensuous word is for the person who is provoking, who is revealing, especially. Sensuous. Okay, here. Okay, more than hot. More than hot. Sensuous. Okay. Next one, sensational. Sensational. Okay, sensational. That is. Next one, sweet and pretty. You know, we can compliment her sweet. She's looking sweet, not cute, but. Right? Cute is something else. Pretty or sweet. She's looking so pretty and sweet. Next one, elegant and classy. Elegant and classy. So, can we use another word here? If I give you a chance to add any compliment to her, then.
She looks so pretty also.
Pretty. Of course. But not cute, huh?
Yeah.
She's not looking cute.
No, not cute.
Yeah, classy, elegant. Okay. Not gorgeous. Gorgeous is something a bit different. A bit, not quite, but a bit different. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, especially when someone has worn something special, one dress. Then we can use. Okay, gorgeous. She has worn like normal, no? So elegant and classy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we are focusing about her simplicity. Next one, smashing. Again, smashing. Okay. Compliment to her. Cool. She's looking cool.
Cool.
Right?
She's looking cool, right?
Yes. Cool. Next, dazzling. Good looking, attractive, dazzling.
Right.
I like him actually. Mind blowing.
Yeah, I saw him in a Baghi movie and I love like his acting and I like him.
I watched his few of the movies, South movies.
Yeah, I have also.
And he gave the strong competition to Tiger Shroff in Baghi movie.
Baghi movie. Yeah, I really like him. But after watched him in a Baghi.
Yes, ever since I watched that movie, I have become a great fan of him. Okay,
Ever since I ever since I watched
watched his movie
watched his
Baghi,
movie
I have become a
Baghi.
great fan of him. $1 million pick.
My favorite too.
Yeah. We have many things in common, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, $1 million pick. You know, I have a lots of pick. I've seen a lot of pics of Akshay Kumar, but it is really $1 million pick. The way he's laughing, the way he's smiling, looking.
Yeah.
I mean, if you feel it,
Yeah,
then you
the
can say $1
smile,
million pick.
The charm of his face, and
Yeah,
$1 million
right.
pick like coffee tea, right?
Yeah,
If
exactly.
we pronounce it in a Hindi.
Yeah. So, you know, also we can learn here few of the compliments. We can add about someone's pick and DP as well, $1 million pick, right? And even
Yeah.
even we see our family pick sometimes we have to say $1 million pick because we are here together.
Yeah.
Next,
Yeah.
that's a perfect gentleman. Suppose your Jiju comes here wearing this kind of something. Hey, that's a perfect gentleman,
Yeah.
right? You can compliment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he is. Looking so cool.
Cool. Dashing. Do you like him or not?
A little bit, not too much.
Yeah.
Like Akshay Kumar or like that.
Yeah.
Or this, but not too much.
But
Okay.
girls are dying for him.
Yeah, I know, but I just love him in a Bahubali movie. Otherwise, I don't like him in any other movie.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
what about him?
Yeah, I watched his so many movies.
Okay.
Yeah, I like him more than not more than Akshay Kumar, but
Yes.
actually I like the boy who's like a dark, handsome and tall, like I don't like fair boys.
Okay.